Right now, there's a big disconnect when it comes to minorities and health. Life expectancy for African Americans is 7 years shorter than for white Americans. But one doctor's taken a challenge from his father to make sure everybody gets a checkup to make sure Northeast Ohio is a better land. News 5's Frank Wiley takes a look.
Like an heirloom, fear is passed down by generation. Black men fight to stand as symbols of strength, but disproportionately, sickness brings many to their knees, in some cases to an early grave. A Cleveland Clinic doctor told me his father expected him to cure the problem with awareness. His surgical hands have pried skepticism and fear from men.
Early detection can actually save lives.
Dr. Charles Modlin, a Cleveland Clinic urologist, leads thousands to health literacy. Every April, guys line up for free screenings at the Minority Men's Health Fair.
Black men have almost twice the incidence of prostate cancer, twice the death rate from prostate cancer, higher rates of heart disease, diabetes, hypertension.
Caring is his strongest prescription.
It's my responsibility to give back to the community.
His father charged him with the responsibility. This is the 17th year for the fair. Each time, someone learns something.
I didn't think anything was going to be wrong.
But Cedric Richardson knew his family's history. A friend pushed him to go.
I used to be a healthcare executive, so you would think that I would know better.
Doctors at the fair told him he had diabetes.
We use the term sugar. Your sugar was, was high.
Type 2. African Americans and Mexican Americans have a higher risk for the deadly disease. Same is true for cancer. According to the American Public Health Association, it goes beyond genetics. Sometimes it's behavioral, environmental, even socioeconomic. Diagnosing some black men's absence in doctors' offices is complex as it is sickening.
My father, when I was young, growing up, he would always tell me, nobody cares about black men.
Don't want to show signs of weakness.
You don't go to the doctor until you're hurting.
Reverend Frederick Kennedy wasn't hurting 8 years ago when he showed up. Word of mouth ushered him here.
Our prayer was to remove all signs of cancer.
Doctors put him on chemo the following week for prostate cancer.
Thank you for saving my life.
Free of judgment, Dr. Modlin's hands, mending men's mistrust. The health fair is April 11th. Start time 5:30 and runs through 8:30. There are 4 locations: Cleveland Clinic's main campus, Lutheran Hospital, Lorraine Family Health Center, and Akron General. Again, it's free, and we've posted the information on the News 5 app.